Yeah. But yeah, I don't have it here. But yeah, I already bought it. Okay, so right here we have a right spinning bay or a side spinning blade, and then the ratchet is 960. Nice one. It's lower, so it will really hit that ratchet of the opponent. And its bit is LR, low rush. Am I right? It's a low rush. So yeah, and it has. Oh, I didn't expect that. I think it's just the blade, or it's just the blade, but it has a string launcher, man. It surprised me because I really don't know it. And yeah, so it has a string launcher, and it's very nice because we have it. Okay, so this is your Impact Drake, and it's a 960 LR or 960 low rush system or set. Am I right? Or set settings. Yeah. So yeah, so next time for this one, we will have an unboxing, and together with the unboxing, we will have a spin test together with a spin battle or a battle, or yeah, it's a battle with other blades from the original going to my fake ones, and then let's see who is really stronger with all those Drake. Yeah, we have the Cobalt Drake, and now we have the Drake, the Impact Drake, and the other one, I forgot the name of that. I think it's here. No, it's not. Okay, but yeah, we have it here. So this is your UX11 Impact Drake 960 LR or low rush. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so that you will be informed for our next video. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jay Galapa signing off, and Godlover Show signing off. That's it. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out. 3, 2, 1. Koosh.